Hey, Wallethubers, Matt Charles here, and today we're going to be talking about factors that affect car insurance. There are 9 main factors that insurance companies consider when calculating your rate. The first is your state's coverage requirements. Each state has its own laws for car insurance, and the more coverage you have to purchase, the higher your premium will be. Next is age. Young drivers pay more for car insurance than older, more mature drivers because young drivers are considered at higher risk. As you get older, your rate will start to go down until you reach age 65. After that, premiums tend to go up again due to the risk of senior drivers. The make and model of your car will also have a significant impact on your rate. Some cars are cheaper to insure than others, and insurance companies tend to prefer safe, affordable vehicles. On the other hand, they also charge more for cars that are more likely to be stolen, like the Honda Accord. You should also expect to pay more for coverage if you have any moving violations or at-fault accidents on your record. And if you have multiple citations, you'll be seen as especially high risk. Insurance companies will typically only look back 3 to 5 years in your driving record, so infractions won't affect you for much longer after that. Your annual mileage is something else that insurers consider when calculating your premium. The more you're on the road, the more you're likely to be in an accident, which means you'll likely pay more for coverage. This is especially true for drivers who work in occupations that require them to be on the road a lot. In most states, your credit history affects your car insurance rate as well. Wallethub's analysis found that on average, drivers with no credit pay 67% more for coverage than drivers with excellent credit. Drivers in certain zip codes may also have to pay more for coverage. Big cities tend to have higher crime rates and more congested roads than rural areas, so insurers typically charge more as a result. If you're married, you can expect to pay less for coverage than a single driver. Statistically speaking, married drivers get into 50% fewer accidents compared to other drivers. Finally, most states allow car insurance companies to charge men higher rates than women. This applies mostly to teenagers since young men are more likely to get into wrecks than young women. It's important to consider that insurance companies consider these factors differently, so no 2 quotes are exactly the same. As a result, you should always get multiple quotes before purchasing coverage in order to make sure that you're getting the best deal out there. Luckily, we're here to help. To check out Wallethub's rankings for the cheapest car insurance companies, just click the button here.